Friends, it is Friday and we're pretty happy here in southeastern Virginia because we finally got some rain after weeks of just dribbles. And of course I want more, but it was nice that it didn't all come at one time. That still may happen later today, but the birds are happy and the crops are happy, and so it's a good day around here. And this is my invite to join me for the show today at 12 noon. This is some of the harvest I'll be going through. I mean, it is coxcomb, cosmo, sunflower, still got some cool flowers. It's going to be a great show today. And really, today is all about cosmos because you do know that's a great fall crop, right? So, join me 12 noon Eastern time inside my phone app. You can get that phone app. It's totally free. You can either comment app here, and I'll DM you the link, or just go to your phone's app store and search Gardener's Workshop. When you have the app, I never understood this, so this is why I'm explaining it for the rest of the world that's like me. I'm 63, so I'm not in tune with a lot of this stuff. I didn't understand that when you have the app, you just have so many more features, and it's easy, much easier to use. It's just a better experience. So get the app, Gardener's Workshop, from your phone's app store. That way you can watch replays, you can shop 24/7, and I'll tell you, people are now shopping as much almost on our app as they do on our website. So that just tells you that it's just easy. And there are some things on the app that we don't sell on our website, seasonal stuff and things that we're kind of testing out. So join me 12 noon Eastern time on Fridays. The big part of the show is I highlight and go through all the harvest and just talk a little bit about that. As well as I give something away every week. And this week I'm giving away a $25 store credit to one lucky live viewer. So I hope that's you. So friends, join me 12 noon. So you have 59 minutes to finish up your job, grab your lunch and a beverage, and meet me. It's an hour-long program. I do a little Q&A at the very end. We wrap it up with that. And it's just a lot of fun. I talk about what's going on the farm and what we're doing and show you all the stuff that I do it with. Think QVC, but with me and my stuff. How's that? All right, friends. See you 12 noon Eastern time inside the app. Get it on your phone's app store, Gardener's Workshop, or comment app. Ciao.